Hey, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use RTK to get a real-time estimate of the area of this parking lot. This is perfect for those of you that do a lot of estimates, whether it's yard work or landscaping or asphalt parking lots or anything else where you need a quick and easy area calculation. In order to do my area calculation, I'm going to need a couple of different things. I'm going to need an RTK receiver. In this case, I've got my Hemisphere S631. I'm going to want my data collector. I've got a mess of 4 here. You could use an Archer. You could use whatever data collector, whether it's Windows or Android that you want. And then critically, I've got FieldGenius installed on my data collector here. So all I need to do to get going and get my area calculation started is turn my receiver on, fire up my data collector, hit connect, and then if I've got a blinking signal here, I'm good to go and ready to start my survey. That's how easy it is to get it set up to begin your survey. Now what I can do is, I'm just gonna walk up to any point in the slot here. I'm gonna get it right up against the building. I'll hit RTK fixed. And the nice thing is with the 631, I actually have a tilt sensor. So even if I've got something like this bench, I can jam it under there and get a fix. So no matter what's in my way, I don't have to worry about getting people to move obstacles. If there's a car in the way, it's in an awkward corner. You know, if it's something like this here, I can just stick it in the corner. And I can just move along here. But I'm just gonna keep walking along the border of my fence here, and I'm able to store a point along it. And this is gonna allow me to get a super accurate estimate of the area of this lot. With the RTK, I'm getting a sub-centimeter or sub-inch solution. So if I put in all of my points properly here, I'm gonna have a great solution that I can use for my estimate here. And the more points I add, obviously the more accurate the estimate, but you can also add fewer. If I just wanna get the corners to get an idea, I can also do that. So I'm just gonna keep walking along here, storing my position as I go along. And the nice thing is I don't have to break out a tape. All I'm doing is walking, pressing a button, and then all I gotta do is connect the dots, and I'm gonna get a live area feed out of it. And it doesn't matter if I've got these weird shapes. Like if I've got this driveway entrance here, I'll just follow the driveway entrance out to the street and be able to store all of my positions. And you can see on screen that I'm getting a nice outline with the real world map from Bing Maps or Google Maps that FieldGenius displays. So it's really nice and handy to see, hey, I'm getting the points I need to for this. I can see them all laid out on my project here. And it doesn't matter how big the area is. You know, some of these other devices that claim to be able to do this, you have to worry about, you know, as you get over a bigger and bigger area, it's introducing drift errors. So you're not gonna get as accurate as a measurement. So I can use this on as big of a project as I want. If I've got a big construction site that's several acres even, I can hook up the 631 to my truck, drive around the site, and still get an area estimate in real time without even having to get out of my truck. You know, whereas something like some of these INS sensors that people are using, you can't do that. As you get further and further from where you started, you're gonna get more and more error. So if you've got a site that's several acres long or several acres big, you're not gonna be able to get a very good area estimate, unlike with RTK, where you're gonna be able to get a very precise area estimation. And I'm just coming in to the end of this here. So I'm gonna store my last couple points. And again, with the tilt sensor, it's really nice. I don't even have to look at the bubble on my pole. I'm just storing the points as I go without having to worry at all about my receiver. And then finally, my last point here is stored. And you can see on the map screen, I've got this great outline of my points, but now I need to actually do my area calculation. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to click on my COGO calculations option at the bottom here, click the 3D surface or area. And now all I need to do is put in the range of points. So I know here I've got points 4 through 25. So I'm gonna go point 4 ... 25. You can see it's got all my areas. I'm gonna call this a name. I'm just gonna call it parking lot. You could put in whatever though you want. You can do this for every project you go to. So if you have a guy that's gotta go do a whole bunch of estimates over the course of a day, he can organize them really easily. He gets a surface really quick, and you can see here, I got my parking lot 2D area really easily with, you know, 5 minutes of work here. You can see here, I've got 7,000 square feet of asphalt maybe that I had to lay down or whatever else. So this is a great solution if you do a lot of estimating and quoting. So if you're in landscaping, if you're in asphalt, if you're in anything that you got to require to know how much material you got to take out of an area, you can get your surface area really, really quickly using FieldGenius. And in another video, we'll show you how you can also do a volume calculation using FieldGenius. If you like this video and you want to learn more about what you can do with RTK and what applications RTK works great for, go check out survey-assistant.com and see what you can do with RTK.